It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. There are people that like trucks and people that need trucks. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything, heavy-duty pickup. The corner step rear bumper is built to accommodate your work boots and give you quick and easy access to the truck's bed. Since load size vary, the 4 heavy-duty movable upper cargo box tie-downs help lock it all in. The high-strength steel construction makes for a quiet ride, while you enjoy entertainment options from a USB port and auxiliary audio input. The ride is built to handle it all with an automatic locking rear differential and StabiliTrak with proactive roll avoidance. When you can't afford to second-guess if your truck can handle the job, your only choice is this Sierra. Take it for a test ride today. Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is a truck that's ready to get to work, hauling, pulling, and towing, and all with a surprising ride. It's a beast with high-strength steel used for nearly 2/3 of the cabin. The USB port and auxiliary jack opens up entertainment options between jobs as the steel frame quiets down the outside world, making for a rejuvenating ride. Your presence is never ignored with daytime running lamps and automatic headlights. If your work uniform consists of jeans and work boots, this Sierra is your best option. Take this tough truck for a test ride today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.